morning, students. Today we are discussing about logarithmic function. Okay. In today's session, first problem is first one sine x whole power x plus sine inverse root x we are taking here. Okay. So now should observe this problem. Okay. So what they are given here, two terms they are given here. Okay. So that one I am taking here. Let y equal to sine x whole power x plus sine inverse root x I'm taking. Okay. So we have here two terms. So that one I'm taking here. Y equal to u plus v I'm taking. Okay. So now here u, that means what it will comes to here, sine x whole power x, it will comes to here. Okay, dear students, now we can take it here log. Okay, so you should observe here taking log on both side. Okay, so when you are taking your log on both side, it will comes to your what, log u equal to, okay, so here x into log sine x, it will comes to here. Okay, so now you should observe here product of two functions we have here. So you know here the formula, we know that. Okay, u v whole dash formula, it should be here v into u dash plus u into v dash. Okay, so dear students, you should observe here this is what u and this is what v. Yes or no? So, and again, you should differentiate. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You should take it here. Okay, so when you are differentiate here this function, so log u, what we have, this one it will comes to your what, 1 by u into du by dx, it will comes to here. Okay, so equal to, so x into log sine x, so what we have according to this formula, v, that means what we have, log sine x into d by dx x plus x into d by dx log sine x, it will comes to here. Okay, so now should observe. Okay, so now this u, what we have here, this one I'm shifted to here RHS side. Okay, so this one it will comes to your what, du by dx equal to u into log sine x into d by dx x, that means what, d by dx x, that means 1. Okay, plus, okay, x into d by dx log x, that means 1 by x. So in that x place we have here what, sine x, so it will comes to your what, 1 by sine x into, again in this internal function what we have sine x, you should differentiate that, it will comes to your what, cos x. Got it? So now should observe your du by dx equal to u, that means what we have, sine x whole power x into log sine x plus cos by sine means x into cot x, it will comes to here. This is what, du by dx. So now you should take it here what, a v. Okay, v equal to what we have, sine inverse root x we have here. Okay, so this one we can take it here direct the formula. Okay, so what is the formula? So d by dx sine inverse x, that means 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, in this x place what we have here, root x we have. Okay, so now should observe differentiate with respect to x on both side, it will comes to here. Okay, so when you are differentiating this one, okay, it will comes to your what, dv by dx equal to sine inverse root x we have, so it will comes to your what, 1 by root of 1 minus in this x place what we have root x, we have here whole square. Got it? No. So into, okay, this root x what we have. So again you should differentiate that. It will comes to your what? 1 by 2 root x. Did you understand? So now here square root cancel it here. Okay, so dv by dx, dv by dx equal to, so 1 divided by, okay, 2 root x into root of 1 minus x, it will comes to here. Okay, so this root x, when you are multiply this one here, okay, so it will comes to your what? Okay, so dv by dx equal to, dv by dx equal to this final answer. So this root x we can multiply here, 1 divided by 2 into root of x minus x square, it will comes to here. This is what dv by dx. Okay, so now you got it, what? Du by dx and dv by dx. Okay, so now should observe all of you. Okay, so should observe it here. I will do it here now. Okay, so y equal to what we have? Y equal to u plus v we have. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You should do it here. Okay, when you differentiate this one, it will comes to your what? Dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, it will comes to here. So dy by dx equal to du by dx, that means what we have here, you should write on that. Okay, so sine x whole power x into log sine x plus x into cot x, it will comes to here, plus dv by dx, that means what it will comes to here, 1 divided by 2 root of x minus x square. Okay, this is the final answer for this problem. Okay, dear students, I think so. Did you understand this problem? Okay, so now we are going to hear next problem. Okay, when we are going to hear next problem, okay, should observe. Okay, second problem in this session. So second one we have x power sine x power sine x plus sine x whole power cos x whole power cos x. Okay, so all of you should observe this problem. Okay, what we have here, x power sine x, okay, x power sine x plus sine x whole power cos x, it will comes to here. Okay, so now here you should observe this function what we have, y equal to, okay, let y equal to x power sine x plus sine x whole power cos x, you should take it. Got it now? So now should observe this one we are taking here, y equal to u plus v. Got it now? So now u, that means what we have, u equal to x power sine x, it will comes to here. Okay, so when you are taking here log on both side, okay, taking log on both side. Okay, so this one it will comes to your what, log u equal to sine x into log x, it will comes to here according to here what, log x power n equal to n into log x. We have here the formula. Okay, so now should observe here, dear students. So before going to here differentiate this function, so you can observe here. Okay, you can observe here, this is what u and this is what v. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x on both side, you should take it here. Okay, so when you are differentiate this log u, it will comes to what, 1 by u into du by dx, it will comes to here equal to, so we know here the formula v, that means what we have, log x. Okay, log x into d by dx sine x, d by dx sine x plus sine x into d by dx, so log x, it will comes to here. Okay, v into u dash plus u into v dash. Got it? No. So this u should take it to this side. So now should observe here du by dx equal to u into log x into d by dx sin x. That means what it will comes to your cos x plus, so sin x you should keep it here. Okay, d by dx log x, that means 1 divided by x, it will comes to here. Got it? No. So now should observe all of you. Okay, so now here du by dx equal to, okay, u, that means what it will comes to here, x into x power sine x. Okay, x power sine x. So into, okay, so log x into cos x, you should write on same as it is, plus sin x, okay, sin x divided by x. Did you understand? This is what, dear students, this is du by dx. Okay, so now we are taking here what, okay, we are taking v. Okay, we have here what, sin x whole power cos x, we have sin x whole power cos x. Okay, so we are taking now your log on both sides. Okay, taking log on both side. Okay, so now should observe here this one, log v equal to, so when you are taking your log x power n equal to n into log x. Okay, so here cos x into log sin x, it will comes to here. Okay, so dear students, we know here the formula. Okay, so what is the formula here? We are using here this u by uv whole dash formula we are using now. Okay, so now all of you should observe. So this is what u and this is what v. Okay, uv whole dash, okay, equal to v into u dash plus u into v dash. Got it? No. So now should observe. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, you should take it here. Okay, so now should observe 1 by v into dv by dx equal to, okay, u v, that means what we have, log sin x into d by dx cos x, it will comes to here, plus cos x into d by dx log sin x, it will comes to here. So now should observe this v, it will goes to in the RHS side. So dv by dx equal to, okay, so here you should take it here v. Okay, so v into, okay, v into, so here log sin x into d by dx cos x, what it will comes to here, so minus sin x, yes or no, dear students, plus so cos x you should keep it here. Okay, into, sir, d by dx log x, we know here the formula, that is the 1 by x, yes or no. So here we have here what, log sin x we have, so in this x plus we have here what, sin x, so it will comes to here what, 1 by sin x, okay, into, so d by dx sin x, what it will comes to your cos x. Got it? No. So now should observe dv by dx equal to v, that means what we have, sin x whole power cos x. Okay, so now here, so this is what negative term we have, so I'm taking first positive term, cos by sin means what, cot x into cos x, okay, minus sin x, okay, into log sin x, into what, log sin x. So this is what dv by dx, it will comes to here. Okay, so now we want to hear what, dy by dx. Okay, so what we have this one, okay, you should take it now. So should go, I'm going to here next page, you should observe here. Okay, all of you, so y equal to u plus v. Okay, so when you are differentiate this one, differentiate with respect to x on both side, you should take it here. Okay, so now should observe here dy by dx dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, it will comes to here. So dy by dx equal to, okay, should observe dy by dx equal to du by dx. That means what we have, you should check it here in the previous page. So x power sine x into log x into cos x. Okay, so should observe here x power sine x into log x into cos x plus sin x by x. Okay, and again here dv by dx, that means what it will comes to here. So sin x whole power cos x, okay, into, so what it will comes to here, cot x into cos x. Okay, so should observe here cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Okay, so here this is the final answer for this problem. Did you understand? Okay, I think so, dear students, all of you did understand this one. Okay, so now here very important for 3 marks. Okay, for 3 marks they are asking here. Okay, third one. So should observe, okay, so x power y, okay, x power y equal to y power x. Okay, x power y equal to what? Y power x we have here. So now should observe this one. Okay, take log on both sides now directly. Okay, taking log on both side. Okay, so what it will comes to here. Okay, so y into log x plus, okay, so not a plus, it will comes to equal. Okay, so y into log x equal to x into log y, x into log y. Okay, so now in the both the side we have here multiplication of two functions we have. So in the differentiation we know here the formula, that is what u v whole dash equal to v into u dash plus u into v dash. Okay, this is what product of two functions formula. Okay, so differentiate now, differentiate with respect to x on both side. You should take it here. Okay, so now you should observe, so u, this is what u and this is what v, this is what u and this is what v. Yes or no? So v, that means what, log x into d by dx y plus y into d by dx log x. Got it now? So equal to, so again v, that means what we have, log y into d by dx x plus x into d by dx log y. Did you understand? Okay, so now should observe log x into, so d by dx y, that means what it will comes to here, d by dx y, that means dy by dx. All of you know here this, dear students. So y into d by dx log x, that means 1 by x, it will comes to here. So now should observe equal to, okay, log y, should keep it here, log y into d by dx x, that means 1 plus x into d by dx log y, that means 1 by y into dy by dx. So why we are taking dy by dx? So because we have here different variable y. Okay, so that one we are taking here what, 1 by y, it should be here log d by dx log x, that means what, 1 by x. So here y we have 1 by y into dy by dx. Got it now? So now should observe, okay, dy by dx where we have, should take it to one side. Okay, other constant terms what we have, should take it to one side. Okay, so now I'm taking here log x into dy by dx. Okay, so this one what it will, what we have, we should take it here, this in the LHS side, minus x by y into, okay, dy by dx, it will comes to here equal to log y minus y by x, it will comes to here. Did you understand? So now should observe all of you. Okay, now should observe So now here dy by dx I'm taking here common, and what we have here x by y, you should take it to what? LCM. Okay, so here y into log x, y into log x minus x whole divided by what? Y, it will comes to here equal to, same here also you should take it to here LCM, x into log y, x into log y minus y divided by what? X. Did you understand? Okay, so now should observe here this y what we have in the denominator, it will goes to what? In the numerator. This numerator it will comes to what? Denominator. So finally it will comes to what? Dy by dx, dy by dx equal to y into, okay, so y divided by what we have x, you should take it that. Okay, so now here log y minus y divided by this numerator what we have, should take it to in denominator, y into log x minus x, it will comes to here. This is the final answer. Got it now? So dear students, this problem, if you have here any doubt, okay, please you should ask it in the group. Got it now? So now I'm going to your next problem is in this exercise, the last problem. Okay, after that we are going to hear derivatives of parametric forms. Okay, so now should observe. So here should observe. This is also important one. Cos x. Okay, so here cos x whole power, okay, y equal to cos y whole power x, it will comes to here. Okay, so now should observe here all of you. Okay, this problem we are taking here direct log on both side. Okay, so I'm taking here direct, so taking log on both side, you should take it here. Okay, so after this you should observe, we know here what a log x power n formula, we know here equal to n into log x. Yes or no? So when you apply that, so it will comes to what? Y into log cos x plus it's not a plus, it will comes to equal x into log cos y. Got it now? So now should observe here this problem. Okay, so all of you, we know here product of two functions formula, uv whole dash equal to v into u dash plus u into v dash. Got it now? So differentiate. Okay, so your differentiate with respect to x on both side. Got it now? So now should observe, this is what u and this is what v. Okay, u and v. Yes or no? So v, that means what we have, log of cos x into d by dx y. Okay, plus y into d by dx log cos x. Did you understand? Equal to, okay, again log cos y, okay, into d by dx x plus x into d by dx log cos y. Got it now? So log cos y, what we have, should keep it here, log cos x. Okay, log cos x, what we have, should keep it here. D by dx y, that means what? Dy by dx plus y into d by dx log cos x means 1 by cos x into this internal function what we have, this cos x, you should take it, you should differentiate that, minus sin x, it will comes to here. Got it now? So and again equal to log cos y, what we have, should keep it here, into d by dx x, that means what? 1. Okay, plus x into d by dx cos y, that means 1 divided by cos y into minus sin y into what it will comes to here. So y we have, it will comes to here what? Dy by dx. Did you understand all of you? Okay, so now should observe, log, okay, so dy by dx, so what we have, you should take it to one side and other, you should take it to one side. Okay, so now you should observe log cos x into dy by dx. Okay, so here plus into minus, what it will comes to a minus. Okay, when it is goes to in the LHS side, okay, this one when you are shifted to in LHS side, so sin y by cos y, that means okay, so it will comes to what, plus, and sin y by cos y, that means what it will comes to your, okay, tan y into x, this x we have here, you should take it that into dy by dx. Got it now? Equal to, okay, log cos y, log cos y. Okay, so here this also plus into minus, minus we have, when you shift it to this side, it will comes to what, plus. Okay, so sin x by cos x, that means tan x into y, it will comes to here. Got it now? So all of you should observe now. Okay, so what it will comes to here finally, you should observe. Okay, so dy by dx I'm taking common, dy by dx I'm taking common here. So log cos x, okay, plus x into tan y, x into tan y equal to, so log cos y, okay, plus tan x into y. So here dy by dx equal to log cos y, plus tan x into y whole divided by what, this one it will comes to here, so log cos x plus x into tan y. Got it now? So this is the final answer, it will comes to here. Okay, so now here, dear students, in the next session we are going to hear derivatives of parametric form. Okay, derivatives of parametric form. In that exercise, for 3 marks, one problem pakka it will comes to here. Okay, so all of you should observe that. Okay.